Imagine walking into a room where two people stand, one brimming with confidence and success, the other struggling to make ends meet. What sets them apart isn't just luck or circumstance, it's their mindset. Your thoughts can shape your reality, propelling you towards success or holding you back in a cycle of struggle. Today, we'll delve into the stark contrasts between a rich mindset and a poor mindset, uncovering the hidden forces that drive success. Curious to see where you stand on this spectrum? Watch until the end, and you will see where you are doing well and what needs to change. As always, I'm committed to helping you get rich and living the life you want. This video will certainly help you move closer to your goals. All right, here we go with the first mindset. Rich people make money work for them, while poor people work for money. You've likely heard this before, but let's break it down. Rich people understand that real wealth isn't tied to an hourly wage or a paycheck. With only 24 hours in a day, we're all limited in how much we can earn through traditional work. No matter how hard you work or how much you earn per hour, there's a ceiling to your potential income. The wealthy break through this ceiling by investing wisely, leveraging other people's time and capital to generate income. They focus on creating streams of passive income, allowing their money to grow even while they sleep. Conversely, those with a poor mindset often spend their lives trading time for money, working for hourly wages, and building someone else's dream. If they miss a day of work, they miss out on income, perpetuating a cycle of financial dependency. The rich understand that true financial freedom comes from escaping the constraints of hourly pay. While having a job is essential, especially as a starting point to build capital, the key is to use that foundation to invest in assets and businesses that can generate ongoing income. Even if you're currently employed, it's crucial to have a strategy for transitioning to a model where your money works for you. Mindset number 2. Rich people invest their money while the poor stash it away in savings accounts. The wealthy approach investing with the mindset of seeking rewards from their actions. They're willing to take calculated risks, seizing opportunities even during financial downturns. For instance, when markets dip, the rich often buy more stocks, capitalizing on lower prices while others panic and sell. This proactive approach allows them to build wealth over time. In contrast, those with a poor mindset often avoid risks altogether. They prefer the perceived safety of saving their money in bank accounts, even though these accounts offer minimal returns. What many don't realize is that the interest rates on savings accounts are typically lower than the inflation rate, eroding the value of their money over time. Consider this: the average savings account offers a return of about 2%, while the annual inflation rate hovers around 3%. To put this into perspective, let's look at an example. If you save $100,000 in the bank at an interest rate of 2%, you'll earn $2,000 in a year. However, with a 3% inflation rate, the purchasing power of your money decreases, effectively resulting in a $1,000 loss annually. This illustrates how simply stashing money away can actually lead to financial decline, highlighting the importance of strategic investing for wealth growth. Mindset number 3. Rich people continuously learn. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He reads for 5 hours every day. How many hours do you dedicate to learning? Or better yet, when was the last time you learned something new? Many other billionaires and millionaires set aside at least an hour daily for studying. Even dedicating just 30 minutes a day to learning can significantly expand your knowledge. You might wonder how reading and learning new things can benefit you. By immersing yourself in the right books, you gain insights into various aspects of money management and uncover new opportunities. The key is to read material that broadens your understanding and sharpens your skills. On the other hand, those with a poor mindset often halt their learning process once they leave school. Shockingly, about 24.5% of adult Americans haven't read a book in the past 2 years, and 55% haven't read in the past year. Continuing to learn is essential for personal growth and success. The rich understand this and make it a priority, while the poor often overlook the profound impact that ongoing education can have on their lives and financial futures. Mindset number 4. Rich people understand that creating wealth isn't easy. They know the road to success is filled with obstacles and challenges, but they don't let these roadblocks deter them. Instead of getting bogged down by problems, they focus on finding solutions. They channel their energy into overcoming difficulties rather than wasting time complaining. This proactive approach sets them apart. In contrast, those with a poor mindset are often full of excuses and quick to give up. They allow problems to overwhelm them, lacking the resilience to bounce back from setbacks. This mindset traps them in a cycle of defeat. Additionally, they tend to surround themselves with non-supportive individuals who don't encourage growth or provide constructive advice. This phenomenon is known as the crab mentality. Just as crabs in a bucket could escape if they worked together but instead pull each other down, people with a poor mindset often hinder one another's progress. The rich push through challenges, using each obstacle as a stepping stone to greater success. They understand that resilience and a solution-oriented mindset are crucial for building wealth and achieving long-term goals. Mindset number 5. Rich people take time to make decisions. They carefully weigh the pros and cons, using references and logic throughout the process. The wealthy consider the repercussions of their actions, asking themselves, if I do A, what will be the outcome? This thoughtful approach allows them to take calculated risks and grow their wealth more effectively. On the other hand, those with a poor mindset tend to be impulsive in their decision-making. They often make choices without much forethought, jumping into investments because a friend or family member suggested it. This lack of careful consideration can lead to poor financial decisions and hinder their ability to build wealth. The key difference lies in the approach. The rich take their time to analyze and plan, while the poor act on impulse. Developing a habit of thoughtful decision-making can significantly impact your financial success, steering you away from rash choices and towards a more prosperous future. Mindset number 6. Rich people are future-oriented. They think ahead, often considering their financial plans for the next 10 years rather than seeking instant success. They understand that building sustainable wealth and stable income streams takes time and great effort. As a result, they plan meticulously for the long term. You'll often see the wealthy buying stocks during market downturns or purchasing property when the housing market crashes. They know the power of compound interest and how to build a robust long-term portfolio. Their discipline in spending means they may forego lavish purchases now, but in 5 years, they'll be in a position to afford them comfortably. In essence, the rich make sacrifices today to ensure a better life tomorrow. In contrast, those with a poor mindset tend to focus only on the immediate future, today, tomorrow, and maybe next week. They crave instant wealth and live paycheck to paycheck because they lack long-term planning. Many poor people work only towards securing their next meal rather than striving for financial freedom. This short-sighted approach keeps them trapped in a cycle of poverty. If you want to break free from this cycle, adopting a future-oriented mindset is crucial. Plan for the long term, make strategic investments, and prioritize financial stability over immediate gratification. Mindset number 7. Rich people have clear goals and targets. They meticulously outline their path to success, always on the lookout for opportunities and viewing challenges as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. This clarity allows them to take calculated risks and make informed financial decisions, further growing their wealth. They follow a step-by-step guide, leaving no room for guesswork. On the other hand, those with a poor mindset often lack clear life goals. They drift without a definite direction, unsure of what they truly want. This absence of purpose leads to a fear-based mentality that stifles growth. They allow problems to limit them and lack the motivation to develop and follow through with a plan. Consequently, without goals to strive for or a plan to execute, they remain stuck in a cycle of poverty. Having well-defined goals and a clear action plan is crucial for achieving success. The rich understand this and use it to their advantage, while the poor often overlook its importance, hindering their potential for growth and financial stability. Mindset number 8. Rich people never settle and refuse to stay within their comfort zones. They constantly seek the next step in life, relishing challenges and striving for advancement. Fear doesn't deter them. They confront problems head-on, pushing past their comfort levels to achieve growth. Conversely, those with a poor mindset prefer the safety of their comfort zones. They avoid problems and shy away from unfamiliar situations, lacking the drive to improve their circumstances. When presented with opportunities that differ from their norm, they hesitate to seize them. Many settle for low-wage jobs, unwilling to pursue new ventures that could potentially increase their income. The rich understand that progress requires stepping outside comfort zones and embracing change. By embracing challenges and pushing boundaries, they continually expand their opportunities for success. In contrast, a reluctance to leave comfort zones can confine individuals to a cycle of stagnation and missed opportunities for financial growth. Mindset number 9. Rich people are innovators, while the poor are consumers. The wealthy are the architects of progress, pioneering new ventures and taking calculated risks to develop innovative products, services, and ideas. They dedicate substantial time to learning and innovating, constantly adding value to society. In contrast, those with a poor mindset primarily function as consumers. They rely on products and services created by the wealthy, inadvertently contributing to their prosperity. Instead of investing their resources in learning, creating, or generating income, they often prioritize acquiring the latest status symbols. Consequently, a significant portion of their income flows towards purchases that ultimately benefit the wealthy. The rich understand the power of innovation and value creation. By continually pushing boundaries and introducing new concepts, they not only enhance their own wealth, but also contribute to societal progress. In contrast, a consumer-centric mindset can perpetuate financial dependency, limiting opportunities for personal growth and wealth accumulation. Mindset number 10. Rich people cultivate lasting relationships built on respect, trust, and shared values. They support each other's growth without expecting anything in return, believing in the principle of mutual benefit. They form alliances with like-minded individuals who share their goals and discipline. In contrast, those with a poor mindset often maintain unstable relationships with individuals lacking clear goals or discipline. If you find yourself in this situation, it's essential to assess the people you surround yourself with. Are they aligned with a mindset of wealth creation and personal growth? If not, consider seeking out new connections who share your aspirations. Attending events or local meetups can be a great way to connect with individuals who inspire and support your journey towards success. Building a network of supportive relationships is crucial for long-term success. The rich understand this and actively seek out relationships that foster mutual growth and prosperity. By surrounding yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals, you can create a supportive environment conducive to achieving your financial and personal goals. Mindset number 11. Rich people value their reputation as paramount. They understand that respect and trust are fundamental in building and maintaining a good reputation. They know that it takes consistent effort to earn respect and trust, and they are mindful that it can be easily lost through poor choices or unethical behavior. In contrast, individuals with a poor mindset may engage in shady dealings or unethical practices to make quick gains, often disregarding the long-term impact on their reputation. To shift from this mindset, it's crucial to prioritize integrity and consider the consequences of every action. They must choose the high road, understanding that damaging a reputation is far easier than rebuilding it. Maintaining a good reputation is essential for personal and professional success. The rich recognize this and uphold high ethical standards in all their endeavors, ensuring that their actions align with their values. By consistently doing the right thing, they safeguard their reputation and build trust among peers, paving the way for long-term prosperity. Mindset number 12. Rich people understand the immense value of time. They never squander it idly, recognizing that lost time can never be recovered. They prioritize productivity and efficiency, treating time as their most precious asset to be invested wisely. In contrast, those with a poor mindset often indulge in activities that consume their time without yielding meaningful returns. They may spend hours watching TV, engaging in gossip, or pursuing fleeting pleasures like alcohol and drugs. This approach leads to wasted potential and missed opportunities for personal and financial growth. To shift from a poor mindset, it's crucial to adopt a disciplined approach to time management. Rich individuals leverage their time effectively, focusing on activities that contribute to their goals and overall well-being. By valuing and optimizing their time, they maximize productivity and create opportunities for long-term success. Speaking of success, I want to see you succeed, so I made a video about the secrets that will help you get super rich. Go ahead and click on this one now. Keep your momentum up and let's build big money.